Welcome to sunny Colorado. Let me see if I can find. Woo! Look at it. Yeah, the yard is kind of flooding. Hail, the gang's all here. We better get back under the roof. I'm trying to find a big one, a big enough one to show. Well, there's. Yeah, guess I'm not going out there. Hold on a minute. Anyway, some of these are golf ball size, some are ping pong ball size, some are dime size. But oh, you can't see that. Hold on. Oh. Oops, I'm sorry, baby. Yeah. That's a ping pong ball size. You can tell my hand is the average size hand. So, anyway, welcome to sunny Colorado.